Hello there. So I just wanted to create this quick tutorial to show you how to join our Zoom classes and events on Zoom from your phone. Now I am using an iPhone, so if you're using a different type of phone, it might look a little bit different, but it should be about the same. So you'll want to download the Zoom app from your app store on your phone, and then once you pull it up, you'll see this page. You see that you can sign in down at the bottom if you have a Zoom account. Login, you can sign up for a free Zoom account so that you have a login, or you can simply join the meeting as a guest, which makes it super simple. So if you don't already have an account, you're not interested in creating a login, you can just click this join meeting button right here. When you push the join meeting button, it's going to ask you for a meeting ID. So that should be in the text or the email or the Facebook post or the event page that I sent, or of the class that you're trying to join. You should see a Zoom meeting ID, or you may see a Zoom link. If you see a Zoom link, there is a slash, and then there's either a bunch of numbers or a couple words or something, but whatever's after that last slash in the link, that is what your meeting ID will be. Typically it will be numbers, but sometimes it could be words too. So you'll just plug in that meeting ID there. Now here where it says testing, that is just where you want to put your screen name, whatever you want to show up as. So your name or whatever you want to see people to see your name as. And then you'll see down here at the bottom that you have some join options. So if you do not want to connect to audio, you can click that one. And if you want to turn off your video, you can click that one so that you can be a part of the meeting and see people in here, but they can't see you. You would want to turn that one on. Now, I do suggest that you do connect to audio so that you can hear, but you can mute yourself so that nobody can hear you, and I will show you what that looks like as well. So I'm going to switch over to some screenshots to show you what it looks like when you get into the meeting. Here it will it will ask you to join the audio via Wi-Fi or cellular data. So you'll want to do that so that you can hear people. And then you'll see down here at the bottom left, you'll see unmute and start video. So you can unmute yourself or mute yourself when you don't want to be heard, unmute yourself when you do want to be heard. Typically when the speaker is speaking, you want to keep yourself on mute just so that any background noise doesn't disturb or anything, but obviously if they ask for questions or comments, you can come off mute there. And the video, obviously if you want to be seen, you can put yourself on video, and if you do not want to be seen, you can click that, and the red slash through it means that it is off. If you click this more button over here on the right bottom, it'll bring up some options, and there's a chat option at the top there. And then that is where you can put your comments or your questions. It will look like this, and you see at the bottom it says to everyone. So if you're typing in here, everyone in the meeting will be able to see it. If you click that everyone that is blue, you can pick a specific person within the meeting to send a direct message to, and only they will receive it. So that is how you log on and participate in our Zoom meetings on a phone, and I will make a separate tutorial on how to do it on your computer. Always ask any questions if you need to.